As of today, looking at Bloomz, Inc., ticker BLMZ, the outlook is not very encouraging. The stock has shown a slight bounce recently, about 2.8% from a pivot bottom, but the overall technical picture remains bearish. Both short and long-term moving averages are signaling sell, and the broader sentiment around the stock is negative. It's also important to note that BLMZ carries a high level of risk and volatility, with significant daily price swings and sometimes low liquidity, making it a challenging stock to hold confidently. Price forecasts suggest a potential decline of around 3.7% over the next month, and the stock is currently trading above its short-term forecast, which often signals that a pullback is likely. Given these factors, BLMZ does not appear to be a buy at this time. The risks outweigh any potential short-term gains, and the technical indicators suggest further downside. Turning to Neuraxis Inc., ticker NRXS, the situation is a bit more nuanced. This stock recently experienced a significant surge, more than doubling in price following FDA clearance news, which is a strong fundamental catalyst. Technical indicators are mixed but lean slightly towards buy signals at the moment, reflecting this recent positive momentum. However, when looking beyond the immediate term, the price forecasts for the rest of 2025 are less optimistic, indicating a potential decline from current levels. The stock has support levels around $2.15 and $1.79, which could act as safety nets, but if those supports fail, further downside is likely. Essentially, NRXS might be attractive for speculative, short-term trades capitalizing on momentum, but it carries considerable medium-term risk. It's not a straightforward buy and hold candidate given the forecasted weakness ahead. Finally, Siyata, ticker SYTA, presents a more bullish picture. The technical indicators for SYTA are currently positive, and the stock appears undervalued, trading well below its forecasted intrinsic value. Recently, shares have surged by about 39%, which reflects growing investor interest and positive sentiment. Forecasts suggest a modest rise in the near term, reinforcing the idea that the stock has upward potential. That said, SYTA is still a volatile stock, and the broader market sentiment is cautious, with fear indexes indicating some uncertainty. This means, while SYTA looks like a buy opportunity for short-term traders seeking gains, it's important to approach with caution, using risk management tools like stop-loss orders to protect against sudden reversals. In summary, Bloomz, Inc. is best avoided for now due to its bearish technicals and high risk. Neuraxis, Inc. could be considered for speculative short-term trades but carries medium-term downside risk. Siyata stands out as a potential short-term buy given its bullish momentum and undervaluation, though volatility means careful risk management is essential. Each of these stocks carries its own unique risk profile. Subscribe.